everyone, Michelle here at Serendipity House in New Hampshire. This project is so simple, it barely needs a video. I don't know why we haven't done this before. This is way more simple than what we've been doing. And I think I know why we haven't tried it. It's because when we do the transfers on a window, say, the back side of the transfer is white. However, I caught one of my windows, I could see some of the transfer outline. So I started playing. I think this is going to be a big hit. You can find all of the Iron Orchid Designs products at serendipity.house, or you can stop by the Spofford shop in New Hampshire. Every successful project begins with proper prep. I'm cleaning the inside of the lampshade with rubbing alcohol. This is just a regular lampshade I grabbed from Target. I have pieces of the Iron Orchid Designs Transfers. What these have in common is they all have kind of a hand-drawn look to them from all different designs. I'm making note of where the seam is, just to keep in mind that the seam will probably be to the back of the lamp when it's turned on. It's still going to be pretty, but I am going to start by designing the center front of the shade. This is from the Wander transfer. Because it's so wide, I am removing the backing in two different parts, just to be safe. And just like we always do, use the rubbing tool that comes in your IOD transfer package. Try to get a bubble right in front of that stick and rub your transfer onto the lampshade. Be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to show you my tester shade where even the first gen IOD transfers look spectacular. If you're having trouble getting your transfer to wrap around the inside edge, grab your scissors and cut to take some of the pressure off. Don't forget to burnish your transfer. You want to make sure all those little bits are rubbed down. And voila, beautiful inside and out, lit or unlit. I haven't sealed my tester shade, and most of the transfers have been on now for 2 months with no problem. You could use a water-based top coat if you like, but my shade is holding up. I use a 40-watt LED bulb, and it's on anytime my shop is open. Keep watching so you can see my tester shade with the oldest and the newest IOD transfers. I want to show you the tester shade. I tried even the oldest. This is one of the original ones, one of my favorites actually, indigo urns from the very first gen. That one's from Astoria Foliage. This one right here is one of the gold foils, so you can still see the design, you just can't tell it's gold. That's from Redoubt, and it's from one of the tube ones, so one of the very earlies. Some of these bits are from the newer transfers that I just put on a couple days ago. I don't know why we've only been putting them on the outside this whole entire time. I can't wait to see your lampshades. Tag Serendipity House LLC. Now when you're sitting under your lampshade, if it's got to be high up, it's pretty from the inside as well as the outside. I absolutely love this. I am going to go crazy now. Thanks so much for watching. Have fun with your lampshades.